We are the STRIDE Lab at the Center for Reproducible Science at the University of Zurich, and our work focuses on understanding the drug development process better, which often involves the use of animals. And one of our main objectives is to reduce animal testing but still gaining the same insight. This testing can cause stress and pain in animals. And this is especially concerning since our research shows that 95% of therapies tested in animals will not gain regulatory approval later to treat a human disease. By better understanding the drug development process, we can reduce the numbers of animals used in the testing, reduce the suffering of these animals, and also contribute to better treatments for human diseases. To do this, we need systematic reviews. Systematic review is a research method which enables us to systematically collect and summarize scientific evidence on a given topic. And this allows other researchers to keep up with the latest evidence and make informed decisions when planning and conducting their animal research. The problem is that these days, millions of research papers are published each year, which makes it increasingly difficult for researchers to keep up to date with the latest evidence. Fortunately, certain steps of the systematic review process can be automated. And our research group focuses on developing methods to do that. And among these methods are AI-driven methods like deep learning or large language models, which can, for example, help us to extract certain key information from the papers automatically. And this can augment human labor. We promote transparent and reproducible animal research. And this is very important for animal welfare principles. And this also helps to implement the 3R principles: reducing animal testing, replacing animal testing, and refining animal testing. And especially by publishing data and the associated code alongside the manuscripts, this helps to reduce the redundancy of unnecessary animal experiments. So this paper from 1912 from the James Lind Library discusses the role of animal experiments in understanding and developing treatments for diphtheria, which is a bacterial disease. The 3R Award is a great honor for us. It highlights our commitment to foster the 3R principles and principles of animal welfare at the University of Zurich and beyond. And together, we want to make a meaningful impact on drug development practices in animal research to benefit experimental animals.